Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Sahihul Bukhari Hadith number 6133. A believer is not stung twice from the same hole. Some pain changes people forever. A betrayal, a lie, a heartbreak you never expected. The kind of wound that teaches you not everyone who smiles at you loves you. And after being hurt, maybe people quietly ask themselves, why didn't I see it earlier? Why did I trust so easily? Why do I keep getting hurt the same way? Then the Prophet ﷺ gave believer a powerful principle for life. Simple words, but filled with wisdom. A believer is not stung twice from the same hole. This hadith is not only about caution, it is about growth, wisdom, healing, and learning through pain. Islam teaches mercy, but not foolishness, kindness, but not naivety, forgiveness, but not repeated self destruction. Some people misunderstand goodness. They think being a believer means allowing people to continuously hurt them. But the Prophet ﷺ taught believers emotional intelligence, awareness, discernment, because a believer learns from experience. Pain is not meant to make believers better, but wiser. Sometimes strangers hurt us, but often the deepest pain comes from those we trusted. Friends, family, people we opened our hearts to, and betrayal leaves confusion behind, because the heart struggles to understand how someone who once felt safe became the source of pain. That pain changes people, sometimes positively, sometimes destructively. Some people become wiser, others become emotionally closed forever. But Islam teaches balance. This hadith does not teach believers to stop trusting everyone completely. It teaches believers to become wiser while remaining good hearted. There is a difference. The world often says, never trust again, become cold, stop caring. But Islam never teaches emotional cruelty. The believer remains sincere, merciful, compassionate, but also careful. Because wisdom is part of faith. One of the saddest things in life is repeating destructive pattern, trusting toxic people repeatedly, returning to the same sins repeatedly, ignoring the same warning signs repeatedly, and sometimes Allah allows painful lessons to wake people up, because repeated pain often comes from ignored wisdom. Every hardship contains lesson, but only reflective hearts grow from them. This hadith is not only about relationship, it also applies spiritually. How many times does sin promise happiness, then leave emptiness behind? How many people return to the same harm repeatedly, hoping for different result? The believer reflects after falling, learns after mistake, repents sincerely, because Iman means growth, not perfection, growth. A believer may fall, but they are not meant to stay trapped in the same darkness forever. Shaitan wants people trapped in cycles of sin, cycles of toxic relationship, cycles of emotional destruction. Why? Because repeated wounds slowly exhaust the soul. But believers are supposed to pause and reflect. What is Allah teaching me through this? What warning did I ignore? What pattern needs to change? And those questions lead to maturity. Not all lessons come through comfort. Some lessons arrive through heartbreak, disappointment, failure, betrayal, and painful experience. After uncovered truths we were too behind to see before. There are people who became emotionally stronger after betrayal, spiritually stronger after hardship, closer to Allah after pain, because suffering forced them to wake up. And perhaps some wounds are actually protection in disguise. Islam encourages forgiveness, but forgiveness doesn't always mean allowing someone to repeatedly harm you. This is important. You can forgive sincerely for Allah, while still protecting your peace wisely, because boundaries are not hatred. Sometimes boundaries are wisdom. And the believer understands the difference between mercy and self-destruction. Every experience teaches something. Every heartbreak reveals something. Every mistake carries a lesson. And perhaps one of the signs of spiritual maturity, becoming wiser after hardship instead of harder, more thoughtful instead of more reckless, more connected to Allah instead of more lost, because believers are constantly growing through life. Sometime after betrayal, people stop trusting everyone, including Allah's plan. But remember, people following you doesn't mean Allah abandoned you. Sometimes Allah removes people to protect your future. Sometimes heartbreak redirects your life. Sometimes disappointment saves you from greater distraction later. And one day, certain painful moments will finally make sense. Dear brother and sister, if life hurt you, learn from it. Don't ignore lessons your pain is trying to teach you, but also don't let heartbreak turn your heart cold. Remain sincere, remain compassionate, remain connected to Allah, because the believer grows through hardship. And remember the words of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam: a believer is not stung twice from the same wound. So heal wisely, trust carefully, respect deeply, and allow your pain to become wisdom, not bitterness. If this reminder touched your heart, share it with someone healing from pain or betrayal. And remember, some wounds break people and some wounds awaken them. May Allah grant us wisdom through hardship, protection from repeated mistakes, and hearts that mean soft despite life's pain. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.